He said, you're not going nowhere this time. He said, you're going to do it nicely or we're going to do it the hard way. When he left, I tried getting it off the floor. I got close enough to the window. I broke the window and yelled at the neighbors.
Just hold really still real fast. You want to go right there?
Might be easy to cut the link on the chain. What kind of car does he drive?
He don't have a car. He was with his friends. I don't know. They picked him up in the back to take something back to Lowe's.
What's his name?
Moses.
Moses?
Last name May. He's a stocky guy. He's got 2 tattoos of his daughter and son's name on his chest and a Scorpio right here on his arm. He's got hair like down to his shoulders.
How long y'all been together?
We've been together for 3-4 years.
Y'all have kids together?
We have 1 daughter.
You said you don't need EMS?
No, I don't need EMS.
Yeah. No, you're not sorry for nothing. And y'all cleared the house?
Yeah.
Good. I mean, we can go back again to double check. Let's run another search just to make sure. Is there dead ones around?
No, but
because there's like some death smelling over here.
I know. I told him to take care of him, and there's already 3 missing. I don't know if he killed them or what.
They said some lady's chained in the basement. I don't know if actually.
Yes, there actually is a woman chained up in a house. Officers from the Louisville Metro Police Department in Kentucky are dispatched to a neighborhood after a 911 caller reports a woman chained at the neck, yelling for help from a broken window of a house. As officers arrive at the location, they have no idea how fateful their actions would soon be, as the full story plays out on their body cams.
Pretty good now? Yeah. I got a bunch of loot. Yeah, it's... let's head back. That one's locked. Which window she kick out? Huh? Which window she kick out? No window to kick out. Hang on 1 second. Which window is she at? Where? 213 Baker to radio. Be advised, we do see a female chained up at the top window. We're trying to make entry, but there's something barricading the door.
Yeah,
this board's there too.
he's boarded up everything. Everything's boarded up.
Hold the back and you want to hold the back or the front?
I'll hold the back.
Yeah, fire's on the way.
The ladder was on the side.
There should be a ladder on the side. There you go. You want to get up there? Or we'll climb through the window. They nailed everything shut. Well, we got this though.
Try to kick the door in, but everything is boarded up.
You want to go first? Like this. Is anybody else in there? He did what? Is he Hispanic? Hey, there's a Hispanic male down the street with his friend. That might be who it is.
He's got long hair.
Long hair on the top, on the sides.
Yeah, he's got long hair.
Where's the key? Yeah,
I know he's got it on his feet. And he's got it on his
But there's no one else in here, right?
No, you can check. There's no.
Is it just you in here? No female?
Just me. I got close enough to get the window. To kick the window. I didn't even come around. You got close enough to kick the window.
All right, we got fire coming, so give us a second, okay?
I'm sorry.
No, you're good. Anytime you do the right thing.
You can check everything. There's nobody else.
So is he a clean cut Hispanic male?
He is, yeah. He's got
down
long
the street.
hair. He's got long hair. He's kind of big. He's a stocky guy. He's got long hair.
Does he have any firearms?
No, I don't think so.
North 33rd and Portland Plaza.
A slot machine called like the Dairy Mark.
What's this for?
Basically, gets me to dance niggas way more people that want to change the world. I'm doing for it.
I think fire is good.
Hey, President, I'll be on a T-line, 537 South 3rd Street.
There we go.
203.
Thank you so much.
You want to try to make exit through the front?
He's got the side door locked. You have to get in there and get out.
Can you get out?
Yeah, I don't have a key to get out. You have to have a key to get in.
213 Baker. We got her in chain. We're gonna try to come out to the front door.
The front door is he's got it. Well, you can't open it. It tells you he's got it locked.
Oh, he screwed it in.
He's got screwdrivers in this other room. It's locked. In the kitchen to the left.
Nobody's in the basement, right?
See this lady, she's chained up. I was like, I should be right there.
Watch that, man. Okay. Come on now.
Hey, did y'all clear the house?
Yeah, we cleared it. The only thing locked still is the basement door right here. She said nobody else was in here.
And the left door right there. It keeps locked.
Hey, Randy, grab the bolt cutter.
Who did this? Are you hurt? You need EMS or anything?
No, I just went out of here.
Okay. You want to sit out here on the porch? Okay.
We do like a little blockade so everybody's not getting videos of her. Just block her about a year. I don't want everybody to see her.
How long you had that on around your neck?
4 hours, maybe 5. We have a one-year-old daughter together.
Where's she at?
My aunt has custody of her.
Okay.
And that's why he's always fighting with me. Because they wouldn't let her go home to this house. He said, you're not going nowhere this time. He said, you're going to do it nicely or we're going to do it the hard way. When he left, I tried getting it off the floor. I got close enough to the window. I broke the window and yelled at the neighbors.
Just hold really still real fast. We'll go like 30.
Might be easier to cut the link on the chain. What kind of car does he drive?
He don't have a car. He was with his friends, but I don't know. They picked him up in the back to take stuff back to Lowe's.
What's his name?
Moses.
Moses?
Last name May. He's a stocky guy. He's got 2 tattoos of his daughter and son's name on his chest and a scorpion right here on his arm. He's got hair like down to his shoulders.
How long y'all been together?
We've been together for 3-4 years.
Y'all have kids together?
We have 1 daughter.
You said you don't need EMS?
No, I don't need it.
Yeah. No, you're not sorry for nothing.
And y'all cleared the house? Good.
I mean, yeah, we can go back again to double check.
Let's run another search just to make sure.
Like 10 kittens.
Is there dead ones around?
No, but
Because there's like some death smelling over
I
here.
know. I told him to take care of him, and there's already 3 missing. I don't know if he killed them or what.
I got straight forward. Police! I'm wondering why all these are nailed shut. Yeah, a lot of these doors are nailed shut. We really can't do nothing with them.
Do you have a gun or anything? Any kind of weapons?
He had a knife.
A knife?
He always has either an axe or a machete. He cut my hair with a machete.
When did you do that?
The 3 nights ago, that's why I left him in the first place. It was all the way down here.
Should I take a picture of
Yeah, on the floor or whatever. It shows what she...
Chained up right here.
Yeah.
That's the chain right there. Or that's where it was connected to.
Did she rip herself off of it, or did fire come in?
No, we had to hit it with this axe.
Dang. I guess that's the window she broke out. Yeah.
Good for her. It makes you wonder, like downstairs though. Hopefully no one else is in here. Did you want a water? Yeah, I'll be right back, okay? So the only rooms we couldn't clear is he has a room upstairs, a door nailed shut. He's got a basement door nailed shut, and he's got a back room door nailed shut also.
I don't know why he had all these rooms nailed shut.
No tattoos on his face, but he's got one. It's a Scorpio right here.
Yeah, she's doing okay. We can go ahead and leave everything like it is. It's a crime scene right now. So what do you think?
It's a crime scene.
But you,
Okay, as soon as I came in, he smacked me. He locked the door with the key, and I knew as soon as he locked the door with the key that he wasn't going to let me go.
Okay.
What window was here?
This second story window right here.
Okay, so it was open and she was just...
Yeah, she was able to get close enough to the window and push the glass out. And she was hollering for help. and this lady, I think, that's getting out of this Kia. Yeah, actually, the little girl heard her hollering.
Okay.
She's like, Granny, that lady's yelling for help. She got a chain around her neck. She's actually the one that called 911.
I guess they live there?
Yeah, they live right there. But I got her name and phone number.
Okay.
After 2 days of round-the-clock covert surveillance, detectives radio to patrol officers that the suspect has returned to the house. That's when patrol officers pull up to the location and find a red truck with 2 men inside, with one of them matching the description of the suspect.
What's your location?
I'll go talk to you. Hold on.
You get my location? Yeah.
Stop. Let me talk to you, man.
Grab him. Grab the other guy, too.
Hey, put your hands on top of your head. Put your hands on top of your head, boss.
We just talk with them.
All right, stand by.
We have to go Monday.
Stop.
What are y'all doing?
You're just being detained right now.
Detained for what?
You're just being detained, all right? You're not under arrest. Any weapons on you, boss?
We just talk. We go Monday.
219,
Monday.
1541.
All right, that's fine, man. Just hang out, all right?
Okay.
Sit on the my card.
Okay. Was it your doctor today, sir?
Is it me that you talked to?
Yeah.
I'm gonna say no, because I don't.
Okay. He gave me his card and I go look for him and talk to him and tell him to turn himself in, and he called him and talk to him. And he promised to go Monday to turn himself in. So what is all this harassment?
No. Well, I mean.
It's just you and your girlfriend that live there?
Yes. You know what? We can get
Girlfriend in there?
No, what she the drama thing.
Drama thing, what do you mean?
Like for the changing thing, but that was not like really happening. Just because she not did what she want for money. This is
You're
what.
saying that what she's telling the police.
Yeah, it's not
Drama.
Yeah, it's drama. Yeah, it's not for real what happened.
Hey, you go with this dude?
You're free to go. So you have to train me up on that, though.
Back to the academy for this guy.
Upside down.
We just started heading over here to see if we can find him. That's the window that she broke out. I don't think it was just her neck. I think he had her like a chain around her neck.